and welcome to Sewoni Coding School. This is going to be our first lesson on Bobo.io. Now, before we'll be able to use Bobo.io to create web applications without necessarily coding, we will have to register an account with Bobo.io. So we quickly go to our browser and then visit the official website of Bobo.io. So when you type Bobo.io in the address bar and then you hit enter, it takes you to this page. Now when you are on this home page, you have the opportunity to log in into your own account. So that you can either log in if you already have an account, so you can log in when you have a Gmail or when you have a GitHub account. If you don't, then you have to sign up by entering your email, your password, and there will be a confirmation message in your email to get a free Bobo.io account. So I already have an account, so I'll log in. Now, before I bring my first lesson to an end, I would like to show you some of the applications that can be created using Bobo.io. Basically, Bobo.io can create any kind of application, whether a marketplace, a social media, a professional, corporate sites, and so on. Some of the applications we can easily do with Bobo.io include Etsy. Now this is Etsy. You can easily create this entire site from beginning to end using Bobo.io. You can also clone or create Airbnb. You can also even create Amazon.com using Bobo.io. Okay, so what we only need is internet connection. So far as you're connected on the internet, we can simply do all these things easily. Bobo.io is a visual editing tool, and then so most of the things we'll be doing is English language. No proper codes or writing of code will be needed while using Bobo. We should all try and get a Bobo.io account, and then from there we'll continue in our next lesson. Thank you very much. Bye bye.